Math Media Ganitham Madhuram. Today's topic is square root by division method of class 8 mathematics chapter 6 squares and square roots. Let me introduce square root by division method. We can see find the square root of each of the following numbers by division method. Our first question 2304, that is exercise 6.4 question number 1. We can see how to find the square root of 2304 by division method. It is very easy and simple method. So we can see how to find the square root by division. In this method, first we have to make the given number into groups of 2. That is, we are making the group starting from the rightmost place. That is from the unit place. So are you able to say which are the how many groups we are getting here? Yes, here we get 2 groups. Which is our first group? First group is 23 and the second group is 04. Children, be careful. We are making a pair or a group of 2 starting from rightmost side. That is 40 will the one group, then 3 to another group. After making that, take the first group which will be 23. Now the next step is check whether 23 is a square number or not. We know that 4 square equal to 16, 5 square equal to 25. That means 23 is not a square number. So what we have to do? We can choose the square number less than 23. Which is that one? It is 16. So we have to write 16 just below 23 in the while doing division. And what is the quotient or square root of 16? It is 4. This square root we will write 3 times. One in the quotient just above 23 and in the divisor 4 we have to write and just below the divisor also we have to write. And in the divisor you can add it, you will get a 4 plus 4 equal to 8. We can see that division, then only it will be easy to understand. See here we made a group of 2. Clear? Now we are taking the first group. Our first group is 20, which is not a perfect square. So the square number less than 23 we are taking, that is 16, that we will write just below 20. As usual division we are doing the same. And the square root of 16 we will write 3 times. How many times we have to write? 3 times. One in the quotient, that is just above this group, and in the divisor and just below the divisor. And children, the divisor, this 4 plus 4, you have to add it and write it here. Clear? Now we can put a blank over here in the divisor, and the next step 23 minus 16 you will get 7. Next is you have to write down the group fully down. As long division we are doing, next number down or the next digit down in the next step. Instead of that we are taking the whole group down. So our dividend is 704. Is it clear? Now we have to take, we have 8 here. Which number we are writing in the unit rightmost side of 8? With the same number we have to multiply. So look at the dividend. Here 4 is in the unit place. Which 2 number multiplied we will get 4. 2 2s are 4, 8 8s are 64. So if we are doing 82 into 2, it will come 164, which is very small number compared to 704. So we can go with another option 8. So we can write down 8 in the right side of the divisor, and with the same number we have written 8, we have to multiply. 88 into 8 gives 704. So 704 minus 704 will give 0. The 8 we have written here in the blank space, that means we have to write 3 times. One in just below the divisor and 1 8 in the quotient. Now the divisor you have to add it. 88 plus 8 will give 96. Here in the dividend, if you are subtracting, we get 0. That means our process is over. So the quotient is 48. Look at the quotient and the last step in the divisor. The last step in the divisor is 96. That means the quotient multiplied by 2. 48 into 2 gives 96. That means if we are multiplying the quotient by 2, we will get the last step of the divisor. That means our division is perfect. We have done correctly the find the square root. Is it clear, this method? So we can write down square root of 2304 is 48. Hope that understood this sum properly. Let's move to the next one. Those who are not able to understand, we can see to the next one. Our second question, find the square root by division method 4489. What is the first step? Yes, here we have to make a group of 2 starting from the rightmost side. So this is our first group and this is the second group. Is it clear? Our first step is over. We are taking a group of 2 starting from the right side. Our first group, this is the second group. Now take our first group. Actually our first group here is 44. Check whether 44 is a square number. 44 is not a square number. 6 6 are 36. 7 sevens are 49. That means 44 is not a square number. So the square number less than 44 we can choose, that is 36. That we have to write in the dividend. And the square root of 36 we have to write 3 times. One in the quotient just above the first group and in the divisor and just below the divisor. Now you have to add the divisor, that is 6 plus 6 will give 12, and you can leave a space over here. Okay. Then you can look at the dividend. Before looking at the dividend, you have to do the second group fully. You have to move into down. In actual long division, we are taking the next digit down. Instead of that, here we are taking the whole group 89. We'll write here. Now our dividend is 889. We look at the unit place. Here it is 9. There is 2 options. 3 into 3 equal to 9. Similarly, 7 into 7 equal to 9. So here we are taking 3 into 3 equal to 9. So we can write 123 into 3. Whatever we are writing here, with the same number you have to multiply. So we are not getting 889. So 3 is not the correct number digit we have to choose. So we can go with the 7. So we can write 7 in this blank space, and with the 7 you have to multiply. So our number will become 127 multiplied by 7 will gives 889. So subtract this one, we will get 0. Our process is over. Which number we have written in the blank space? 7. So this 7 should write 3 times. just below the divisor and once again in the quotient just above the second group. Is it clear? Now we can add the divisor. Multiplication of the divisor will write in the dividend column and we can add the divisor, we will get 134. Now you can check it whether 67 into 134 will give 67 into 2 will give 134 or not. 67 2 is 134. So the square root we find is correct. So we can see the square root of 4489 is 67. Is it clear? Can I explain once again? First we have to make a group of 2 starting from the rightmost side. Clear? Now take the first group 44. Check whether it is a perfect square or not. This is not a perfect square. So you have to take the square number less than 44 and write it in the dividend. You can subtract it, you will get 8. The square root of 36 will write 3 times 1 in the quotient just above the first group and in the divisor just below the divisor. This you have to add it, you will get 12. Put a blank over here and write the next group down. So we get the dividend as 889. Look at the ones place. It is 9. So which two number multiplied will give 9? 3 3s are 9, 7 7s are 9. So first you check 123. In the blank we are writing 3. So 123 multiplied by 3. It is less than 889. So we can go with the other number 7. So 127 we have written, so multiply with 7, we get 889. So you can write 7 3 times, 1 in the blank in the divisor and just below the 7 in the divisor and in the quotient place above the second group you have to write. Now you can subtract 889 minus 889 gives 0. Here we got 0, so our process is completed. Now you can go check, verify whether you got the correct square root or not. How? Multiply the quotient by 2, you will get the last step of the divisor, then your answer is correct. 67 into 2 gives 134. Therefore, square root of 4489 is 67. Next is question number 3. Find the square root by division method. Square root of 3481. First step is make a group of 2 starting from the rightmost place. So this is one group, this is another group. And the second step, take the first group. Here our first group is 34. 5 square equal to 25, 6 square equal to 36. 34 is not a perfect square, so take the square root square number less than 36, that is less than 34, that is 25. That we can write it in the dividend. And the square root of the square number, what is the square root of the square number? Square root of 25 is 5. We have to write 3 times, first in the quotient just above the first group and in the divisor and just below the divisor. And this 2 number in the divisor, you can add it, you will get it 10. Then put a blank over there. Now subtract 34 minus 25. As usual we are doing in the division, same you can do. You will get a 9. And the next step is write down the next group fully down. So our dividend become 981. Look at the ones place. Ones place is 1. The number 1 we are getting 1 into 1 is also 1. 9 nines are 81 ending with 1. So you can put 1 over here. So our number become 101. We are putting 1 in the blank space, so multiplied by 1. So we are getting 101, which is smaller than 981. So we can go with another option, that is 9 nines are 81. So in the blank space you have to write 9. So you with the same number 9 you have to multiply. So 109 multiplied by 9 we will get 981. That is the required number. So that you write it in the dividend and subtract it, you will get a remainder as 0. And the quotient, that number we have written in the blank space, that you have to write 3 times. 1 in the quotient just above the second group, 1 already we have written in the blank space and just below the divisor here. And in the divisor you can add it, you will get a 180. Now our quotient is 59. We can check whether it is the square root of 3481. How? You can multiply 59 by into 2. So we are getting 180. That means the square root of 3481 is 59. Question
Next
number 4. Find the square root of 529. What is the first step? Yes, we have to make a group of 2 starting from the rightmost side. So this is one group I made. This is the another group. Now take the first group. This is our first group. It has only one digit, that is 5. Check whether 5 is a perfect square or not. You know that 5 is not a perfect square. So take the square number less than 5. That is 4. That 4 you have to write it in the dividend. And in the square root of 4, what is the square root of 4? Yes, it is 2. That you have to write how many times? 3 times. First in the quotient just above the first group, and in the divisor just below the divisor. Add the divisor, we get 4. Then put a blank over there. Then subtract 5 minus 4 and write it 1. What is the next step? Write the second group down, that is 29. So we get the number as 129. Look at the ones place. What is the ones place here? 9. So we have two options. 3 3s are 9, 7 7s are 49. So we start with the first number 3. So in the blank space you have to write 3. So with the same number you multiply. So that means 43 into 3 gives 129. So that is the required number. So write 129 in the 29 here. Then you subtract it, you will get the remainder as 0. Clear? Then which number we have written in the blank space? 3. So the 3 should return 3 times. 1 in the quotient just above the second group, and in the divisor just below the blank space. Now add the divisor, we get 43 plus 3 gives 46. Now we have to check whether it is correct or not. Multiply the quotient by 2. 23 into 2 gives 46. That means square root of 529 equal to 23. Next we move to question number 5. Find the square root by division method 3249. What is the first step? First step is we have to make a group of 2 starting from the rightmost side. So this is one group, this is another group. Next, what is second step? Take the first group. This is the first group. Then what we have to do? We have to check whether the first group is a perfect square or not. Here 32 is not a perfect square. So take the square number less than 32. Which is the square number less than 32? 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36. So the square number less than 32 is 25. Write in the dividend. Then you can subtract it, you will get a 7. The square number is 25, so its square root will write how many times? 3 times. 1 in the quotient just above the first group, then in the divisor just below the divisor. Now add the divisor, we will get it 10, then put a blank over there. Then what is the next step? Yes, we have to write down the next group down. So our dividend become 749. Look at the ones place. What is the ones place over here? It is 9. There are two options. 3 square equal to 9 and 7 square equal to 49. So we can try with the 3. So in the blank space we can write 3. So you must multiply with the 3 only. That is 103 multiplied by 3, which gives less than 749. So 3 is not the correct number we choose. So we can go with the next option. It is 7. So in the blank space you can write 7 and multiply with the 7. So 107 multiplied by 7. That will give 749, which is the required number. So 749 you should write over here and you subtract it as we are doing in the division. We will get the remainder as 0. And the number digit we have written in the blank space should write 3 times. One just below the divisor here and one in the quotient just above the second group. Now we can add the divisor, we will get 114. Now we can check whether the number we found the square root is correct or not. How to check? You multiply the quotient by 2, you are getting the final answer in the divisor. Your answer will be correct. 57 2s are 114. Therefore, square root of 3249 equal to 57. Hope that you understood it well. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.